guys, it's IRL Kouka editing this video right now. I will be sharing the birthday haul towards the end of this video, but before jumping into that, I received a few packages that I wanted to unbox with you, all still part of the birthday celebration, but I didn't get the chance to go in depth about them during the haul. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoy watching these clips as much as I enjoyed looking back at them. Bye! I just delivered this right now and I'm so excited to open it. I didn't get anything too crazy, just a bunch of new PJs because I wanted to switch to the PJs that I currently have. Some of them are not 100% cotton, and the ones that I sleep in usually want them to be 100% cotton, and I came across a few in H&M, so I had to snatch those. And I think I got 2 loungewear sets and then maybe 1 or 2 vests. That's about it. I'm just gonna open this, quickly try on the different things that I got, make sure that I like everything, and then video show you everything that I got for my birthday, inshallah, because it's happening really soon. So I literally just got this package and quickly opened it from Huda Beauty. I shopped the cyber craze thing. Yeah, I forgot the name. Anyways, I was looking forward to finding the pink ticket in here, but unfortunately I didn't get it. You get in your order during the cyber craze, you might get one of those PR kits. I wanted one so bad, but unfortunately I didn't get it, which is okay. I'm lucky, I guess. Damage was done. I wanted the pink quartz eyeshadow palette so bad, and even though I signed up for the early access of the sale, the morning of I had it in my car, but then I got busy. I was only able to check out later that afternoon, so when I did come back to place my order, it was already sold out. People went crazy during the sale, and I get it because it's worth it. They had really good deals. I just got done filming the unboxing for the Huda Beauty stuff, and I am so heartbroken because look, this one came broken. I'm so sad. The rest look fine, but just this one, I don't know. I'm so sad about it. Oh, it's such a beautiful palette, but I opened it and this was cracked. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Hi guys, so I wanted to quickly hop on and show you what I got for my birthday. I obviously cannot show you everything, but I'll quickly share with you some of the things that I got. And I'm gonna start with stuff that I cannot physically show. First gift that I got was actually the new WoW expansion, Midnight, from one of my friends, which I was not expecting at all, but I truly loved the gift. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. You're the best, and I've been really enjoying the game lately. The second gift that I got is a gift card from 2 of my friends. So they got me an Amazon gift card, and I got a new headset, which unfortunately I had to return. It's the Bose one. I love it. It's amazing. The sound quality is great and all of that. However, it didn't meet my needs and it didn't suit me, so I started the return process for that, and I think I'm just gonna get something else, maybe a Sennheiser. I'm not sure. We'll see about that, but I'm waiting for the confirmation that Amazon did get it back, so we're waiting on that. But thank you so much, guys. If you're watching this, you're also the best, and I really appreciated this from them because both of them are still students, so that meant a lot to me. The third thing that I got, I'm not sure if I already included it in this vlog or no, but we did a birthday subathon. So my community member joined me for 2 days. So the first day was on November 15th, and since like we had so much more to do and the timer didn't go down, so I did a stream again on Sunday and we had the best time ever. Thank you so much to anyone who contributed to the goals and supported me, and I'm at a loss of words of appreciation. So thank you so much to everybody who supported supported me, who showed up. I hope you had fun. I had an amazing time, and I did share on Discord and on my Instagram story that hands down that was the best subathon ever, and it was amazing. So that was, I guess, the third gift, if you may. Gonna lie, I did splurge a lot on myself on my birthday this year. I promised myself I wouldn't be sad, so I did everything that made me happy and more. I got myself a bunch of different stuff, so I did buy a lot of skincare from Yestel, which was an excuse for me because I had to restock on skincare. I probably will share an unboxing, again, ASMR unboxing of that on TikTok, so make sure you follow me there. I guess I'll include a few snippets of that in here. And the main focus for this year's restock was barrier toners and facial mists, because I've been obsessed with mists lately, and obviously moisturizing and really heavy creams because I live in Canada and it does get really cold. Since we're talking about skincare, I also got myself this bad boy here. I'll include better clips. I got the Scoshimar advent calendar, which is basically an advent calendar, but it has all of Scoshi's favorite skincare, I guess, or their best sellers, like really good stuff in here. You get some makeup as well and some little, I think, accessories. I'm not sure, I still haven't opened any of these, but I got that, loved it. It's supposed to be worth $700, but I got it for, I think, 200 something, if I remember correctly, after tax, 240, something like that, which is a steal for me, a bargain. So we're fully stocked up on skincare for the next at least 6 months. Okay, moving on. I also got myself some clothes, like loungewear, some new PJs, and I did get myself a few things from Victoria's Secret. Nothing too crazy. They had the sale going, and if you buy above a certain amount you get this free pink tote, so I did, and I now have a cute little tote bag. I'm not sure where I'm gonna wear this, but probably to Pilates or something like that. But I did include everything that I got inside of it, so let me show you. So the first thing that I got are these cute little slippers. Yeah, they were just cute, and I wanted some pink slippers. They're so soft and fluffy, which we love. And then I also got some new PJs. I still need to unwrap these and put them in the wash, but they're basically this pink and red bow PJ set, 100% cotton, of course. So, and then lastly, I just wanted to try one of their mists, hair and body mist. I didn't get the infamous vanilla one. This is actually vanilla orchid sandalwood with essential oil, so I'll be trying that and seeing if I like it. So that's everything that I got from Victoria's Secret. As you can see here, we did go a bit insane, just a bunch of makeup, perfume, hair stuff, but you'll find the in-depth unboxing of everything that I got on TikTok, so if you're interested in seeing that, you can check that out. Then lastly, the main gift of my birthday is I got an iPhone 17 Pro Max, which was the highlight of my birthday, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm so happy and thankful. Obviously already unboxed it, but this is what it looks like. I got my case from Casetify, and I added these cute little charms, which I know is an overkill, but you know what, I'm happy. This was a gift from my man. Thank you. If you're watching this, you're the best. And he took me on this really nice and fancy sushi date. It was like the best night ever. I had so much fun. I already did a video sharing how I customized this cute little beast. I can't wait to learn how to use it more. I'm really excited to film with it and create content with it and post more stuff with it. I'm so happy, alhamdulillah. Oh, my sister got me the most beautiful pink flowers the morning of. I had so much fun this birthday. I was not sad, I was not depressed. It was very special, very close to my heart. I heard so many good prayers, and I'm forever grateful for the amount of love that was shown to me this year. May you all be rewarded for everything that you did for me. Alright, hope you enjoyed this section of the video, and if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.